This is part C in this question, and the first part in part C, we're given a triangle and we're given some dimensions here or whatever. We're given an angle of 27, we're given an angle of 60, and we don't know what the angle B is. And part 1 here says work out the size of the angle B in the triangle below. So the important concept to understand here is that the three angles in a triangle sum to 180 degrees. Right, so that's massively important that you understand that. And we know two of the angles, so we simply add them together, 60 plus 27, and we end up getting 87 degrees there. And then we just say, well, we just take that 87 away from 180 to find out the remaining angle. So doing that, we're going to end up with 93 degrees is equal to the angle B. Okay, so that's 93 degrees is equal to the angle B there. And it says then, explain why the theorem of Pythagoras cannot be used to find the length of the side y in the triangle above. Well, I suppose if I just draw out the triangle very quickly, or make it look somewhat like what it looks like in the sheet there, we've got an angle of 27, we've got an angle of 60 degrees, and we've got an angle of, for B there, we found it out to be 93 degrees. And I can see very clearly why Pythagoras can't be used here, because for it must be a right angled triangle. So it must be a right angled triangle to be able to use Pythagoras. Here. But as we can clearly see from the diagram, there is no angle that is 90 degrees. So no angle is 90 degrees, or some form of that. Must be a right angle triangle, and no angle is 90 degrees. Finito.